My name is Jamie Navarro. I'm a student here at Foreman High School. I'm in the 12th grade and I participated in YTC last year. YTC, from my understanding from last year, is an organization that took kids, or basically kids took themselves to another country to give like the things that they have here that they couldn't get over there in another country.
My name is Noe Alvarez. I'm a sophomore at Foreman High School. Since we were a documentary group, we were just going to record the water group and the computer group.
The computer project was another organization of kids that took computers themselves. They fixed them here in the United States in their schools themselves. With the help of a couple of teachers, they recycled old computers and then shipped about 100 and something to Mexico and actually gave them to the schools over there. Well, the water project, from what I was taught last year, was a group of kids that started off with an idea of taking safe water to people in need in Mexico. They organized a group and then told the kids themselves told the teachers about the group that they wanted to do this for other people. They went to Mexico, took water samples of their water, and they had a representative of CDC like taking samples of the water, showing like the pH levels, and it's just basically just an organization of a group of kids that wanted to make a difference.
My name is Heriberto Caneda. I'm a student at Foreman High School. I'm 15 years old. This is my second year at Foreman. YTC is not just about going to Mexico, it's about kids doing a change in the world.
Well, it changed because now I look at things in a different way, like how people here, like, you waste the water, like, to wash their cars and, like, just to play around. But, like, over at Durango, the water is very important to them because they need it to, like, to survive.
Mexico opened my eyes socially when I met a lot of new people from the other schools, and I noticed how the people in Mexico were really nice and they showed a lot of respect.
It's not just going to Mexico and have fun, it's about going to Mexico and make a difference.
I started thinking of different ways, like, to, like, gain help from other people, even if I don't want it. Like, take the chance to get to know them even more than you know about them.
There's actually kids that care about other things other than themselves in the world at that age, and that actually want to do something different, and not just for themselves.
My name is Giovanna Reda, and I'm 15 years old, and I go to Foreman High School.
What I have learned in this class has been how to work a camera and the technical stuff and how to actually ask questions for an interview.
My name is Elizabeth Serrano. I'm 16 years old. I'm a sophomore here at Foreman High School.
I learned how to do the mixer, the boom, and the sound.
It's very unique because, you know, you have some punk over here, some alternative over there. It's very weird, and I usually never hung around with that kind of people before, and I noticed now, like, they're real cool.
It opened my mind because I saw that you could do a lot of things, and it doesn't matter where you live, and it could still change the world.
Well, being with a group of people that felt passionate about what they do gave me more passion, gave me more stamina to do what I want to do and to keep wanting to be like them, be able to change people's lives and, you know, be motivated and not brought down like by other people before that I've met.